What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstein, and today we got a new phone in the house, and introducing over here something from Vivo. This is my first phone over here from Vivo, and this is the V40, which is of course co-engineered by Zeiss. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is of course check out their phone over here and see what we have right on the box. So yes, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So of course, first things first, we have the quick start guide and also the warranty card. And also next up here, we do have the Vivo flash charge charger, and it does come with the USB-A to USB-C cable. Alright guys, so here is the Vivo V40 looking really nice, and this is what I have here, the Nebula Purple Color Edition, which looks really nice, very awesome. And in terms of the camera layout over here, I really like it because it is very unique, and it does have your Zeiss logo over here as well. And in terms of the phone case, as I mentioned before, you do have your precision cutouts to protect the camera, and I like the color matching on both of these two phones over here, the case and also the phone. And of course, we do have some nice glass on the back here, very nice and matte finish, so you're not going to have a lot of fingerprints even if you do not put a phone case on this. And the buttons on the sides here all looks very nice and easy to reach. Nice curved display on the front here to give it more of a futuristic look. Also, we do have some plastic frames on the sides and also a glass on the front. Overall, looking really nice over here.